Interactive coffee table for exploration of personal photos and videos. Families and friends use it together in the living room to watch printed photographs. Nowadays, laptops, tablets and televisions are used for the same purpose, but they impose restriction on the level of social interaction they allow. We are interested in better understanding how interactive tabletops can be used for exploring and viewing home media in family gatherings. We placed an interactive tabletop in the middle of the living room so that it can be used as a normal coffee table in front of the television set. We conducted a number of experiments considering three main challenges. 1. Is it desirable to have a digital interface that uses the metaphor of physical photographs placed on the table? 2. How helpful or disturbing is to use additional screens for media exploration? 3. What is the adequate level of control that should be provided to the users? We implemented a prototype application that allows us to test different concepts with real users. In the exploration mode, media items can be moved, resized, or rotated by means of touch gestures. It also shows a personal space for each user, indicated by a different background color. The presentation mode can be used to show a single media item using the whole surface. To navigate the collection, users tap an item from the thumbnail bar or make a swipe gesture over the active item. The TV mode allows users in the couch to see photos and videos in a proper angle of view. In order to activate this mode, users simply flick the media item in the direction of the edge closest to the TV. We conducted user experiments in a lab that simulates a living room. The 24 volunteers were grouped in pairs, resulting in 12 experiment sections. Each section lasts about 45 minutes. The videos recorded during the experiment and the answers to the post-test questionnaire were analyzed. We aimed to answer 3 research questions related to our scenario. Regarding the first research question, our analysis shows that people liked the idea of sitting around the table and passing photos to others. However, it is necessary to complement the experience by offering some software support regarding the alignment and distribution of media items on the tabletop. Regarding the second question, our results suggest that the use of a TV helps creating an environment that supports several users and improves the experience by providing a better image quality and comfort. The third question can be divided into 2 parts. Regarding the usefulness of multiple control panels, the answer is dependent on the task at hand. For storytelling scenarios, it seems that a single control panel is more appropriate. In a more explorative scenario, the use of a control panel for each 2 or 3 users may be the optimal configuration. Finally, we obtained strong evidence that personal spaces would be very useful to offer zooming and navigation capabilities without disturbing others. Thank you for watching.